hydraulic tilting induction melting furnace, English panel, Siemens touch screen. Add the materials. After melting, pour out the molten liquid. The removable crucible can keep workers away from the molten part. More safer. Welcome to contact us.